Doing a little bit of work on my wife's 2004 Chrysler Pacifica, and some of the common problems that I've been reading all over the internet have just came true. Everyone that you just don't want ends up becoming my problem. And one of those common problem is the misfires. Everybody gets when a little check engine light blinks. And had it hooked up. It says misfire number 5. So there's number 5 on the good side, thank God. And the other ones are under the intake. And so I start reading, watching videos on YouTube and etc. And one of the common problems that I found that people are having, that it's actually caused by some rubbing problems on the wire harness, which is right there. It goes behind the water jug down there. It says it rubs on the motor mount and the vibrations, and so that was just the problem I was going to fix. But the old feller at the AutoZone says he knows that it's the coil on number 5. So here is the new coil. Just got the old cheap one because I'm pretty sure I'll be taking it back and fixing the wire harness. I just picked it up for like 40 bucks. Duralast AutoZone. Got the cheap one because like I said, I'll be taking it back. And one spark plug that the old man at AutoZone recommended because he's such an expert and never heard of a Pacifica, but he has heard of the problem. I guess his engine, of course, is using different vehicles, and I'm going to prove him wrong, because from all the research I've done and actually talking to people that have automotive skills, that it's usually the wire harness. And if you keep letting it go, as I said, they can mess up the computer. Then you're looking for a computer, getting one rebuilt. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that is good. Wire harness bad. I will update this video. Thank you.